Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through the pricing plan for Remove.bg. Now this software is really good, but when we look at the plans, we're going to start with the monthly plan. So we have the pay-as-you-go plan, the leads plan, the pro plan, and the volume plus plan on the monthly payment. So if you go for monthly payment, depending on the amount of credit, if you go for pay-as-you-go, for 3 credits is $3. For you can see the price: 10 credit $9, 75 credit $49, 200 credits $99, 500 credits. You can see the more credits you buy, the less you pay. So it's for you to just start small with a one-off purchase, upgrade and scale when it's needed, and if you need more, you can just top up your credit anytime done with your current plan. Then the leads plan here, you use it for up to 40 credits per month. So you get up to that, so you pay $9 per month. What I mean is that they calculate it per month for you here. So you can subscribe here. What you get is AI photo editor, remove background, AI background. These are all the things you get, and also has automation. If you're using the Pro, if you want to subscribe to the Pro plan, you use up to 200 credits per month. You pay that $9 per month, and so since you get, you can see it also has bulk editing. Then you look at the volume plus plan. You choose the amount of credits you want to start from 500 credits all the way to 75,000 credits. So you can also, the price for 500 credits is $9 per month. Credits determines the amount you pay. Then you get everything in your pro plan plus custom volume, you can see, and then you have API custom controls like crop, scale, and position. Now if you're going for the yearly plan, that helps you save up to 10%. So if you're going for the yearly plan, all this you pay yearly, but the price has reduced. For pay-as-you-go, it does not reduce, as you can see, but for the leads plan, it reduces to $8.10, calculated at $8.10 for each month for 12 months. So billed yearly is $97.20 billed yearly. For the pro plan, $421.20 billed yearly, so you definitely save. And for the volume plan, the value is 500 credits. Now that is to $1.20 billed yearly. Just click on this to choose the plan you want, and you see the yearly billing down here. So that is it. That is all about the plans for Remove.bg. Hope you found this video helpful.